Another quick update. As soon as I made that video, we start selling off hard. And this is looking like it potentially is a third wave here. We broke below the bottom trend line, and we'll see. It still could be ABC, but it broke pretty convincingly past this. So I think it's more likely it's a third wave. If it's a third wave, then I would be looking for something. Should be bottoming here soon, by the way. But I would be looking for something probably around so let's say we go to 396 on a bounce. We're looking somewhere down here around 393, high 392s to complete a 5-wave move. So actually probably right down here at the bottom of what now looks could potentially be the 4th wave right here, and that was the 5th wave. So I wouldn't be surprised if we bounce to 396, come down here to 393, 392. I sold some puts on this move, obviously pretty big move, and yeah, I'm just waiting to see what happens. If this ends up only being ABC and we get a big move higher from here, then that would mean this is probably the 4th wave right here. So I'm just waiting. If it gets above, let's say it bounces and gets above like 397, 397.40, then I would say this is most likely just ABC and we're going to go higher. Or it could go A, B, C, that, and then we get another move down lower to like low 390s. That's possible too. My hunch is this is the start of a sell-off, but I mean, we'll see. If we go down to the 1-minute time frame, I have it all labeled right here. So we get a nested, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be the last move down before it bounce. And we're looking for, again, 396 probably, maybe 396.80, something like that. Whenever this bottoms, for this bottom, I would look at it could go down to 394.55 to 394.30, something like that, unless we get an extended 5th wave. But I would look for a bounce to probably, at this point, if it goes lower, 395.50 to 396.50, something like that. And if it breaks 397, it's probably ABC. But this looks pretty impulsive to me. This is exactly what I was talking about a few videos ago. We're looking for an impulsive move down to confirm the top. And if we go down to like 393 and then bounce, just like on Tesla, I'll be looking to buy puts on that bounce to stop above the high, and then try to ride down the next move for a 3rd wave. If you zoom out like on higher time frames though, you'll know that this is just a very small move in the grand scheme of things for how far it could go. This could be wave 1 of wave 1 right here. We're in the middle, so we're in, no, I'm sorry, wave 3 of wave 1 of overall wave 1. So kind of sub-waving it down to the 1-minute time frame. This is a very small move for how far we would go in order to get down to the low 300s. So we'll see what happens the rest of the day, but if we bounce to like 395, 396, I don't recommend shorting 4th waves, because if it ends up being ABC and it breaks through, you're going to get stopped out. I normally only do 2nd waves and try to sell at the bottom of 3rd waves. So that's another quick update on this big move. We're just waiting to see if this gets a 4th wave and then a 5th wave lower, or if it finishes here and goes higher. That will tell us a lot. More updates to come.